Hello guys, today we will be looking at the English alphabet, understanding the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, 5 vowels and 21 consonants. For each letter, there is an uppercase and a lowercase letter. For example, this is uppercase A. This is lowercase a. This is uppercase B. This is lowercase b. Uppercase letters in the English language are used at the beginning of sentences to begin proper nouns such as people's name, places, the days of the week, months of the year, and titles of books and poems. Now we are going to look at each letter, the names, the sounds, and a picture with its beginning sound. This is the uppercase A. This is the lowercase a. The sound of A is A, as in alligator. This is uppercase B. This is the lowercase b. The sound of B is B, as in bat. This is the uppercase C. This is the lowercase c. The sound of C is K, as in cat. This is the uppercase D. This is the lowercase d. The sound of D is D, as in dog. This is the uppercase E. This is the lowercase e. The sound of E is E, as in elephant. This is the uppercase F. And this is the lowercase f. The sound of F is F, as in fish. This is the uppercase G. This is the lowercase g. The sound of G is G, as in gorilla. This is the uppercase H. This is the lowercase h. The sound of H is H, as in hamster. This is the uppercase I. This is the lowercase I. The sound of I is E, as in iguana. This is the uppercase J. This is the lowercase j. The sound of J is J, as in jellyfish. This is the uppercase K. This is the lowercase k. The sound of K is K, as in kangaroo. This is the uppercase L. This is the lowercase l. The sound of L is L, as in lion. This is the uppercase M. This is the lowercase m. The sound of M is M, as in monkey. This is the uppercase N. This is the lowercase n. The sound of N is N, as in newt. This is the uppercase O. This is the lowercase o. The sound of O is O, as in octopus. This is the uppercase P. This is the lowercase p. The sound of P is P, as in parrot. This is the uppercase Q. This is the lowercase q. The sound of Q is K, as in quail. This is the uppercase R. This is the lowercase r. The sound of R is R, as in rabbit. This is the uppercase S. This is the lowercase s. The sound of S is S, as in snake. This is the uppercase T. This is the lowercase t. The sound of T is T, as in turtle. This is the uppercase U. This is the lowercase u. The sound of U is as in umbrella. This is uppercase V. This is the lowercase v. The sound of V is V, as in vulture. This is uppercase W. This is the lowercase w. The sound of W is W, as in whale. This is the uppercase X. This is the lowercase x. The sound of X is S, as in Xeros. This is uppercase Y. This is lowercase y. The sound of Y is Y, as in yak. This is uppercase Z. This is the lowercase z. The sound of Z is Z, as in zebra. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope that was helpful. Please note that in the description below, you will also find videos explaining the long and short vowel sounds and other alphabet videos. Thank you.